working on bathroom decorations, or just little containers for my bathroom items. And I was so excited yesterday that I went to Dollar Tree because I found these cute ring holders, and they are mermaids. So I thought it was perfect for the idea I have for my bathroom decorations. And I'm going to spray paint those gold. I did see that they came in rose gold, but at the Dollar Tree that I went to, they didn't have them. So I'll just spray paint those. And I also found this beautiful ribbon, which I think will look great with the mermaid ring toppers. Well, ring holders, but I'm gonna use as toppers. And I'm gonna spray paint my vases, only part of them. So I already taped these up, and I'm only gonna spray paint that part. And I'm gonna add the ribbon around as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys how they look in a bit. Okay, so I've spray painted all 3 bases. I'm just waiting on them to dry, and then I'll remove the tape. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I did this one a little lower so it could be a little more blue, and then those 2 are the same, so they're less blue on the bottom parts. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this that I had already purchased at Dollar Tree and I just had it laying around. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one on that to make it stand up and be a little bit higher, just for a little bit of a contrast, but I'll see about that once they are dry and I see how they look. For now I'm just waiting on those to dry, and those beautiful babies to dry as well. So here I'm putting the sequins ribbon around my vase, and I'm going to overlap them like this one. I thought it looked really cute. The finishing look is really pretty, so that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing that. So I'm just gonna do first layer of the sequins ribbon. And I'm just doing little by little so my glue won't dry, because this thing dries quickly, as I'm sure you guys already know. So you guys can already leave it like this. I think it looks really pretty as well. But again, I actually liked the 3 layers better, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest on this one, and then I'll show you guys how that one looks. I was really excited when I found all these items at Dollar Tree, because while I was shopping I decided to go on Google and Pinterest, and I did not see anyone do this idea yet. so I wanted to rush and do this for you guys, especially since I know Dollar Tree doesn't always have the same items. I wanted you guys to be able to go out there and get these items before they sell out, and I know it's hard to find them again, so I'm trying to put this up there for you guys to see. Hopefully you guys like it and decide to try it out. If you guys do try it out and make a video or, you know, do something like it, then just tag me in it so I can see your ideas. So this is it for this one. I'm finishing up the last layer, and then I already did the other two. So these are the 3 finished bases. Let me show you what I was talking about. This one is higher, but just to give it a little bit of a contrast, I did 3 layers of this, but you can always do more or less. Maybe you can fill it all the way up, or instead of the blue, just do it all with the ribbon. But these are just some of my ideas. I hope you guys like them, and thank you guys for watching.